This is part 3, using the spirit talker for the school bell. I'm not sure how old this school bell is, like I said, but I know it's got some damage done to it.
I'm very shy.
You were very shy? You don't need to be shy. My name is Gail. It's very, very nice to meet you. I would like to know more about you.
I do not understand.
You do not understand. What don't you understand? How to use the spirit talker? You can push words out using the spirit talker. Use the energy off of it. If you need more energy, like I said, you can use this white box with a blue light on it. It's pushing electricity back out into the air for you.
You're safe here.
You're safe here. Yes, it is very, very safe here. It's a very, very quiet and secluded area. You are safe here also.
Drive.
Drive. Where do you want me to drive to? I'm without a vehicle right now. But if you tell me where you want me to go, I'm certain I can get a car ride there.
Bullet.
Bullet. Is there a spirit that was possibly shot by a gun? If there's a bullet? It feels very different tonight. The energy in the room it feels very different. It's a lot calmer, like it came through earlier, the very first EMF, not EMF, EVP words that come through about it being calm. It is a very calm night tonight.
Godfrey.
Godfrey. That's a different name. Nice to meet you, Godfrey. That's a very different name. It's a great name. Are there any other spirits that would like to say hi to me tonight? I want to go to some cemeteries this coming summer. The snow's pretty much all melted now, and the gates to the cemetery should be open. There's a few cemeteries that I want to go to that I've never had an investigation in. And there's a lot of old tombstones that has a lot of history behind them. Are there any other spirits? I can sense there's a few here.
You are loved.
You are loved. Yes, I am loved. You were loved also. You must have had some family members when you were here. Is my millimeter shutting off and just turning it back on? Are there any other spirits that would like to communicate with me tonight? Any spirits at all? Any spirits that are attached to this school bell?
It's not me.
It's not you. It's not me. Who am I speaking to right now? Can you tell me? Is Godfrey, is this you right now that I'm speaking to, or Annie? There's a Vincent that came through also. If you hear any noises, that's my little tiny dog snoring, and I have another one here that's walking around on the floor, making quite a noise. So that's where that noise is coming from. Any other spirits? If not, I'm going to close the session down. Any spirits at all? Anyone that would like to talk to me tonight?
Photograph.
Photograph. What photograph are we talking about? Do I have a picture of you? Am I talking to my grandfather by any chance? I do have some pictures here in the kitchen of you on it with my grandmother.
Cancer.
Yes, that's right. My grandfather had cancer. He had prostate cancer. He's been gone now for quite some time.
Alma.
Alma. Nice to meet you, Alma. Are you talking about my grandfather's cancer, or are you talking about Alma? And did she have cancer?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I'm sorry to hear that, Alma. If that's who you're referring to that had cancer. Thank you. Excuse me. Thank you for that response.
Destruction.
Distraction. Yes, it does wreak a lot of destruction.
We're apprehensive.
You are apprehensive. You don't need to be apprehensive. You're starting to come around now.
Fight.
Fight. Did you put up a fight with this cancer that you had? You're a warrior. If you had to fight for this cancer that you had. I know my grandfather had cancer also. He was a very, very good man. He had a lot of wisdom. It's very, very peaceful here in my home. It's a different feeling to it tonight. It's almost 1:30 in the morning now. It's about 20 minutes after 1. Any other spirits that would like to talk to me tonight?
Walk right.
Walk right. I'm actually sitting down right now. What would you like for me to go to? Can you tell me? I really appreciate the time that you've spent with me tonight. It means the world to me. I also want to do an investigation outside of my home, around the perimeter. I have a lot of activity throughout the day, especially. I hear knocking on my door first thing in the morning. It always comes in threes. A lot of people call them a forerunner or a warning.
Stranger.
Stranger. Yes, it could be a stranger that has been knocking on my doors. But when I get up to go look, no one is there. I've also been sitting here at the table and I heard someone coming up the ramp. I have a ramp on my deck. A heavy footsteps coming up my ramp, and I could see deceit. I could see somebody walk past my window. When I get up to let them in, no one was there. That has happened to me, so I'm curious to see what's going on around my home. Like I said, I live in the woods. I live out in the country. So the word stranger and deceit came through. Stranger. Who is this stranger that you're referring to? Do they mean harm to me? Deceit. That means that they're trying to fool me.
Please stay back.
Please stay back. I'll do that. Thank you for the advice. Part 4 will be coming out here in about 30 seconds before my camera decides to shut off. It doesn't shut off completely, it just starts a new video out. I guess that's the best way to explain
Blue
it.
eyes.
Blue eyes. Do you have blue eyes?